Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Right now I'm just finishing this bee pass on Adopt Me. It's taken me forever so far, but once I finish that, I'm gonna use my honeys that I have. I have two, and I'm really hoping to get the queen bee. I've also heard a lot of people saying that the Beehive house is worth it, so I think I'm gonna buy it because it's really cute and I love the layout. I'm pretty sure this is the last one, and this has taken me forever at this point, so let's see if we finally get the violet pet. Oh my gosh, I don't know how I didn't get it yet because I feel like I've been doing this literally for so long, but I'm gonna get everything else finished off camera because I'm so excited to see if I could get a queen bee, and I also think the regular bee is cute, so I'll be happy with either. Okay, I'm just now finishing and people already have neons of this pet. That is crazy, and I'm not gonna lie, I was tempted to just trade for it. So we finally have the violet. Oh, it's not the violet pet, it's the violet friend. We finally have the violet friend. It is so cute, definitely worth it. Now let's buy this new house. I love the flowers on it. And then I'm gonna use my honeys, and guys, let's really hope for the queen bee, but I'll be happy with any. Unfortunately, we didn't get the queen bee, but it's okay because the regular bee is also so cute and still an ultra rare. I definitely don't like this orange color. It makes the room way too dark. And I still have to practice and watch a lot of tutorials before I start seriously editing this house if I want to trade it someday. But stay tuned because I will be making that video. And thank you for watching.